Here at Protolabs, we mold approximately 4 million parts per month across all industries.
IPS is a commercial and community solar developer, meaning we help companies like Protolabs install solar systems on their large flat rooftops, and we help build community solar gardens out in the country.
Using all the available roof space we could, we were able to install a solar panel system at this facility because over the years, sustainability has become more and more important to Protolabs. So this is a natural next step for us to explore using renewable resources such as solar.
So this particular system is 711 kilowatts. That's 711,000 watts in this system. There are 1,872 different solar panels, all flowing directly into this facility. The panels produce direct current, which flows directly over to the inverters, where that power is converted to alternating current, which is used on site. So this particular system will offset almost 840,000 kilowatt hours on an annual basis. And that's based on typical weather patterns in Minnesota. So my favorite fun fact is that in 2012, the entire state of Minnesota had just 7 megawatts in total capacity. Protolabs system is over 700 kilowatts, meaning in 2012, you would have had 10% of the total installed capacity in the state.